If you are over 40 and struggling with digestion, low energy, or weaker immunity than before, this video is especially for you. As we grow older, our bodies begin to change in subtle ways. Digestion may slow down, sleep may feel lighter, energy may not last as long as it once did. Today, let's talk about a small fruit that can quietly support your body during this stage of life. The kiwi. Not as a trend, not as a miracle solution, but as a simple fruit that works gently and consistently. Kiwi is exceptionally rich in vitamin C. In fact, one kiwi can provide more vitamin C than many citrus fruits. Vitamin C plays an important role in supporting the immune system, which becomes increasingly important after the age of 40. Kiwi is also rich in antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress, a natural process that becomes more significant as we age. Over time, this cellular protection supports energy, skin health, and overall vitality. Another important benefit of kiwi is its fiber content. Fiber supports digestion and helps maintain regularity. After 40, digestive balance can become less consistent, and kiwi offers gentle, natural support without heaviness. Kiwi also contains potassium, which supports heart health and healthy blood pressure. Cardiovascular stability becomes more important over time, and small daily habits can make a meaningful difference. One lesser-known benefit of kiwi is its potential role in supporting sleep quality. Some research suggests that eating kiwi regularly may contribute to improved relaxation in the evening. Better sleep supports mood, recovery, and mental clarity. Kiwi does not promise dramatic change. Its strength lies in consistency. 1 or 2 kiwis a day, added to a balanced diet, can become a calm and simple daily habit. And over time, small habits create meaningful protection for the body and mind. If this information has been helpful and you would like more calm, science-based explanations about everyday foods for adults over 40, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, a simple like helps more people discover balanced and trustworthy health content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.